Welcome back to Rocky Knob Farm and our YouTube channel. I'm Jason Eakers. Remember back in the ice storm when we had Cliff's Hightunnel got tore up by trees? Well, we got her fixed up today. After replacing some of the structure, we started by putting the first roll of plastic on. Here, Jacob and JJ are rolling out the plastic, the first layer.
Good? I got it good as well. Good?
After we got the first layer on, we put the wiggle wire in the track, and right here we're putting the second layer on, and I'm in between, and we're trying to get it stretched. We took strings and tennis balls and threw it over and tied the plastic and drug the second layer up on. You can never have too much help when it comes to stretching plastic. I would recommend that you always put plastic on a calm day. Wind and putting plastic on does not mix. Here in this shot, you can see that the plastic is stretched much tighter. After we put the one side on, we come to the top on each end and started working and pulling it tight, putting the wiggle wire in as we went. This Hightunnel has 2 layers of plastic, and it has a fan that blows air in between the 2 layers. This helps to keep the Hightunnel cooler in the summer and warmer during the winter or the colder months. Here, Cliff's installing wiggle wire into the track, which holds the plastic on the Hightunnel. In this shot, Tab is stretching the plastic as Cliff installs the wiggle wire. This helps to ensure that we're getting it as tight as we can. So we got the plastic on and the blower motor running. All we like now is the roll-up sides. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I hope you learned something watching our videos.